Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's all about resin piping tips. So these right here, they come in different shapes and they are so cool to work with. So if you guys want to see how I made these beautiful cupcakes and how I did different colors, shades, ombre effect, well, this video is for you, so keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. That's enough talking, and let's get to it. So basically what I do is to create different colors, I prepare my buttercream color shades, and I try to put colors that go well together. So white or pink, or white and another color, whatever color you're choosing, try to pair them in colors that make sense together. So like that, when you're gonna pipe it, it's just going to give a nice effect. So basically what you're going to do, if you're just doing one color, very simple. You take your piping tip, you're gonna put inside your piping bag, and you're just going to pipe it. And these are so easy to use. You're just going to squeeze and then pull, and then you're gonna get that nice little flower. At first, I will admit, you kind of have to feel these, because sometimes you think you need to give it more buttercream, sometimes you think you have to give it a little bit less, but once you get the perfect pressure with your bag, then you're good to go. Also, another trick that I found for me that was easier is to actually take your cupcake in your hand, and then you can go ahead and pipe with the other hand. I found that having your cupcake on your counter and then piping it, it was more difficult. I don't know, for some reason. It's easier to have the cupcake on one hand, and then you can kind of like just go like that and then pipe with the other hand. I found for me it was easier like this, but you really have to try it to find out. But they come in different shapes, and I think this one is my favorite one. This one and this one. Yeah, they kind of make like a little like rosette, but they're all really pretty. Then to create different colors, what I do is I actually take saran wrap, okay, or a plastic film, they call it. So just a saran wrap on my counter, and then I place my buttercream with different shades on top of the saran wrap, and then I create like a log and then I twist on each side, making sure that everything is nice and tight. And then I'm going to cut one end, and then I'm going to open it a little bit and then place it in my piping bag, and then I'm going to go ahead and pipe. So you're going to see, depending on how you're doing your colors, just play with your colors. You're going to see it gives like different effects. To one point that I had like all this buttercream left over, and I said, you know what, let's put it all in one bag. And it was actually really nice, because then you would see like all these colors, different colors pop in your flower, and it was just really cute. If ever you mess up, also just take your cupcake, put it in the fridge. The buttercream is going to harden a little bit, and then just take a toothpick and then just remove the flour that you did and that you don't like, and then just repipe it. Another little trick. I left it as they were because I like the effect, but you can go ahead also and pipe leaves on the little gaps, so like that you don't leave any gaps on your cupcake. Or you can also pipe these onto cookies. You can pipe it also onto cakes. I mean, it's endless. So they're really fun to use, and yeah, and there will be linked in my description box down below, so you can go ahead and see if ever you're interested, and you can purchase them or whatever if you want to try them or what. But yeah, and what is nice is that it's like, I don't know, there's a lot of details in these. So if you need to do like a cupcake like in a rush, or sometimes clients want different cupcakes, one rosette, one, you know, like just different cupcakes, this is a great alternative because you can have like different styles going on. So highly suggest. Really like these. They're called the resin piping tips. So that is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. By the way, I know you guys are gonna ask, what did I use? I used buttercream, and the recipe that I use, such an easy buttercream recipe, is in my description box down below. But you can also use Swiss meringue and buttercream to do so, and it would be as nice. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.